Next, occupancy is given 40% occupancy during summer, sorry, during winter, off seasons. No, off seasons is winter, and peak seasons is summer. Okay, and annual overheads, permanent staff salary. Green highlighted is what fixed cost, and blue is variable cost. This practice I have been keeping since transport cost. Okay, so permanent staff salary, building repairs, upkeep, maintenance, sundry expense, they all are not dependent on number of room days. So they are fixed costs. Anything that depends on number of room days is a variable cost. So in this, laundry, linen and laundry is a variable cost. This is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed, and this is fixed. Reason? Because they are not dependent on your room occupancy. Next, total investments in buildings are rupees 800 lakhs, furniture rupees 200 lakhs, depreciation 5% on building and 15% on furniture. So in this sum, my depreciation is going to be a fixed cost. Temporary staff salary hired, yes. Now, this is important, obviously. I'll tell you how. Temporary staff hired. Obviously, with the word temporary, it is a variable cost. And it is hired from time to time, and their cost is now what they are saying 32,000 per month during peak seasons. Peak seasons means summer, and 2,500 per month in the off seasons, that is winter. Hotel requires 20 temporary staff during each month of peak season, that is summer, and 10 temporary staff during each month of off seasons, that is winter. Okay, so just remember, it will be important for the purpose of calculation. Then electricity charges, it is depending on what? It is depending on my consumption. Okay, so it is depending on this per units consumed. Per units consumed means it is depending on what? It is dependent on my room occupancy. The more the rooms are occupied, the more electricity will be consumed, and that's why it's going to be a variable cost. Then the rate charged by the electricity board is rupees 3 per unit in peak season, that is summer, and rupees 2 per unit in the off seasons, that is winter. The estimated consumption of electricity is 2,000 units per month in peak seasons, that is summer, and 1,500 units per month in off seasons, that is winter. Prepare an operating cost sheet and find the average room tariff chargeable by the hotel. So they want you to calculate the revenue of the hotel. Okay, that is also per room days. Okay, any query till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box if the question is clear. Yeah, great. So what are we going to calculate first? What will be the first calculation in the question? Acknowledge it in the chat box. What will be the first calculation in the question? We are making a yearly cost, yearly hotel cost sheet. So what is going to be the calculation? So what will be the basis? Okay. To know the basis of calculation. Like in transport, we calculate, okay, Katri has said we are going to first calculate room days. Obviously, yes. Like in transport, what was the first thing we were calculating? Obviously, the basis. Either it used to be a composite unit or what do you call single unit. But as in hotel cost sheet, I told you, you have always composite units. Okay, so you are going to calculate room days. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Go start. Let us start. Yeah. Calculation of room days. Calculation of room days. Okay. Yeah. So this is the formula. Number of rooms into occupancy into months in a year into days in a month. Number of rooms in the hotel, percentage occupancy, month in a year, and days in a month. Right? So this indicates yearly. Okay, this will indicate you yearly. Okay? Now let us start. You can even write peak seasons, off seasons, or you can even write summer and winter. Both are correct. Okay, summer, winter. Okay, you can even write peak seasons and off seasons. So, how many rooms in the hotel? 50. So, write here 50. Okay, percentage occupancy. Peak seasons में it is 80 and off seasons में it is 40. So, summer में it is 80, off seasons winter में it is 40. Summer is of 8 months, winter is of 4 months. And they have said there are 30 days in a month. Okay, see if the question is silent, you have to take 30, and if the question mentions the number of days, you have to consider the question. Let us start. Okay, so 50 into 80%, 50 into 80% into 8 months into 30 days. That makes it 9,600. Okay, next 50 rooms into 40% occupancy into 4 months into 30 days. It is 2,400. So I give you. Total is 9,600 plus 2,400. So 12,000 room days. The answer is 12,000 room days. Yeah? Okay. Any doubts to here? Any doubts to here? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Then I'll move further. Okay, fine. Great. Thanks for acknowledging. Fine. Once this is done, this is main, right? This is main. And On this only your variable cost is calculated. Okay? The basis, room days. Now, let us come to the format. Yearly hotel cost sheet of JP. Particulars column, amount column, number of room days column, the last column, the third column. Okay. What answer we got? 12,000. So write it there. What the answer? 12,000. No? So write it here. Here. Start with fixed cost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items are there in fixed cost. We can verify also. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this depreciation. So write it down. Permanent staff salary is 30 lakhs 50,000. Building repairs is 13 lakh 5,000. Maintenance is 8 lakh 41 250. And sundry expenses is 9 lakh 51 750. Okay. And now depreciation. Okay. What is the cost of the building? 800 lakhs. Now see how to calculate. Look into the calci. Look what I'm doing in the calci. It is 800 lakhs. So 800 into 1 lakh, that is 8 crores. Okay. So this will help you to, not get confused with the number of zeros you have to write in crores. So this is the best technique. 800 into 1 lakh. It is 8 crores. Okay. Into 5%. The answer is 40 lakhs. Write it here. 40 lakhs. Clear everyone? Okay. Then depreciation on furniture. Same technique. 200 lakhs, right? So 200 into 1 lakh. That makes it to 2 crores into 15% depreciation. It is 30 lakhs. Right here, 30 lakhs. Clear? Okay. Next, obviously you have to total your fixed cost, right? From here till here. Okay. That is do the totaling. 30 plus 40 is how much? 70 lakhs, right? Let me take it directly. 70 lakhs plus 9 lakh 51 750 plus 8 lakh 41 250 plus 13 lakh 5,000 plus 30 lakh 50,000. The answer is 1 crore 31 lakh 48,000. So write it here. 1 crore 31 lakhs 48,000. Okay. This is my fixed cost, total annual. Is it clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear? Then I'll move further with calculation of variable cost. Okay, great. Thanks for acknowledging. Next, Come to calculation of variable cost. Okay. Okay. Variable cost में how many are there? Three are there. Let us verify. How many variable cost? Yeah. One. Second is this temporary staff, and third is this electricity. So there are three. Okay. So first is laundry, 5,80,000. Okay. Next, temporary staff salary, but we are going to divide it between summer and winter. Okay. So let us do that. I've used the word. I told you you can even use the word peak seasons or off seasons, and you can even use the word summer and winter. It's correct. Since I have used here summer and winter, we using that only in the calculation. Let me start with the calculation. Okay. Okay. Summer May, how much are you paying? Peak seasons में 32,000 and peak seasons में how many staff you need? I need 20 staff. So let us calculate 32,000 per month, huh? Yeah, per month. 32,000 into 8 months into 20 staff. Okay, and winter के लिए it is 2,500 per month into 4 months into 10 staff. I need 10 staff during my winter season. See, it's given in the question. Okay, so let us do the calculation. 3,200 into 8. Sorry, it is 32,000. 32,000 into 8 months into 20 staff. There is 51 lakh 20,000. 51 lakh 20,000. Okay, and next 2,500 into 4 months into 10. So it is 1 lakh. Okay. Now let us calculate electricity. Same calculations for electricity. Again, peak seasons and off seasons. So you can convert it as summer and winter. Electricity, right? 2,000 during summer and 1,500 during winter. It's 2,000. 2,000 units, and this is 1,500 units. Right? 8 months of summer, 4 months of winter, and then multiply it with the rate. How much is the rate? 3 rupees and 2 rupees. Multiply 3 rupees and 2 rupees. Start the calculation. 2000 into 8 into 3. So it makes to 48,000. Next, 1500 into 4 into 2. 12,000. Okay, total it plus 48,000, 60,000. Okay, so you can write it here. Working note number 2, I got my answer 60,000. Now total your variable cost. Okay, so how much? 60 plus, I can add it directly, right? 52 lakh 20, 52 lakh 20 plus 5 lakh 80. The answer is 58 lakh 60. So write down 58 lakh 60. Okay, so this is my total of variable cost. Is it clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Variable cost is clear. Now it's easy. You just have to total your cost. A plus B, fixed plus variable. Thanks, students. Yeah. Okay. And start giving your attendance also in the chat box. We have last 7 minutes. Okay. Total your variable cost, that is A plus B, fixed plus variable. So 58 lakh 60,000 plus 1 crore 31 lakhs 48,000. 1 crore 31 48. The answer is 1 crore 90 lakhs 8,000. 1 crore 90 lakhs 8,000. Okay? Yeah. Now let's see. Profit and sales is not given, but information is given. I'll have to use this information. This one. Profit is 20% on the room tariff. Room tariff is what my sales. It's my revenue. So my base is going to be 100. See, this is what I have done. This is the base. The base is always 100. Profit is 20. Go reverse. 100 minus 20. My cost is 80. Clear? And now cross multiply. You will get the answer. Right? So let us cross multiply. 1 crore 90, 8 lakhs into 100. Divide by 80. My answer is 2 crore 37 lakhs 60,000. Write it down. 2 crore 37 lakhs 60,000. Okay? And the difference is profit, or else you can cross multiply and get the answer. It's one and the same thing. So this is my sales 2 crore 3760. Give me the sales here. Subtract cost price from it. How much is my cost price? 1 crore 90. 1 crore 90, 8 lakhs. The answer is 2 lakh 37. Let me cross check just a minute. 2 crore 37 lakh 60,000 minus my cost price 1 crore 90 lakhs 8,000 Answer is 47 lakh 52,000. 47 lakhs 52,000. Okay, clear? Fine. You can cross check your answer if you want. Cross check करो. 1 crore 90 lakhs 8,000 into 20 divided by 80 if you cross multiply. See, your answer is correct. Okay, so always double check your solution. Always. Is it clear to you? Acknowledge it in the chat box, everyone. Is it clear? We have last 3 minutes with us and we have to now calculate the last column. Okay, fine. Yeah, thanks Nishan for acknowledging. Okay. Now let us calculate the last column. This. Okay. So we know how to calculate this, right? Yeah. Your fixed cost, your total fixed cost divided by 12,000 room days. Correct? Then calculate your CPU for variable cost. So how to calculate this? Your total variable cost divided by 12,000. Correct, no? So go on like this. Okay? Your total cost divided by 12,000. Profit divided by 12,000. Same way. Your revenue, that is your room rent or room tariff, divided by 12,000. Here, okay, Prathvi has written 3. What is that? Some answer you have sent? Let's see. Okay. So let me first calculate this. I have it on my cal. See the last answer. So divide by 12,000. So it is 396. So I'm writing it here. 396. Okay. You can calculate any of the figures first. Doesn't matter. Next. 1 crore 31 lakh 48,000 divided by 12,000. Just round it up. 1095.666, right? 1095 point. It is recurring. So put this recurring sign. Okay. Next. 58 lakh 60,000 divided by 12,000. 488.333. Let us write that. 488.333. The recurring sign. Okay. Next. 1 crore 90 lakhs 8,000 divided by 12,000. 1584. So why did we have 1584? And then last. 2 crore 37 lakh 60,000 divided by 12,000. 1980. So this is my final answer, what they have asked for. Calculate the average room rent. So this is my average room rent. This answer. Or room tariff. So what is the cost? What is the revenue? 1,980 per room per day. Don't forget that. And what is the cost? This is the cost. Sorry. This is the cost price. 1,584. Is the question clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Next lecture with a new question. Next lecture, I'll give you a different view about the same sum.